Greetings everyone. The topic given to us as part of NARAYAN program is Smart Lender Applicant Credibility Prediction for Loan Approval in the domain of Applied Data Science. So now let us look at the problem statement. One of the most important factors which affect our country's economy and financial condition is the credit system governed by the banks. The process of bank credit risk evaluation is recognized at banks across the globe. As we know, credit risk evaluation is very crucial. There is a variety of techniques that are used for risk level calculation. In addition, credit risk is one of the main functions of the banking community. The prediction of credit defaulters is one of the difficult tasks for any bank. But by forecasting the loan defaulters, the banks definitely may reduce their loss by reducing their non-profit assets so that recovery of approved loans can take place without any loss and it can play as the contributing parameter of the bank statement. This makes the study of loan approval prediction very important. Machine learning techniques are very crucial and useful in the prediction of these types of data. We will be using classification algorithms such as decision tree, random forest, KNN, and XGBoost. We will train and test the data with these algorithms. From this, best model is selected and saved in PKL format. We will be doing Flask integration and IBM deployment. So now let us look into the notebook explanation. So this is the file where we processed the data set and optimized it for machine learning and created the model. The modules which we are using in this file are NumPy for accessing and modifying arrays, Pandas used for loading and modifying data frames, Matplotlib and Seaborn used for visualization, SEI-Kit-Learn used for creating machine learning models. Firstly, we remove unwanted columns and rename the columns according to our wish and explore the categorical columns. Next, we visualize the columns to get insights from the data. From the bivariate analysis, we can see that the customers having the credit history have larger possibility of getting loan than that of the others. In the next step, we are checking for null values as they can raise unexpected errors by building the model. In handling the null values, we will fill the numerical columns with median and the categorical columns with mode. In the next step, we find and replace the outliers because it is one of the most important steps as part of data processing is detecting and treating the outliers as they can negatively affect the statistical analysis and the training process of a machine learning algorithm, resulting in lower accuracy. Here we are using the IQR method to replace the outliers with median. The next step, we are performing label encoding on categorical columns as the machine does not understand string and object literals. Hence, we are converting the labels into a numeric form so as to convert them into machine readable form. In the next step, we split the data into dependent and independent variables and scale the independent variables and apply the scaled data set to get the resultant values. The next step, we apply the scaled dataset into 4 ML models, namely decision tree classification, random forest classification, k nearest neighbors, and XGBoost algorithms. After comparison of all the metrics of all models, random forest performs better than other algorithms in all aspects. So we take this model for Flask integration. The next step, for local deployment of model, we create the simplified version of the notebook and create a pickle file and load it to app.py and integrate the HTML files and create it in the template folder. Here is the demo where we fill in the values and the loan status for the following details is displayed in this page. In the next step, for cloud deployment, we are using scoring endpoints by integrating the creator notebook with cloud. By applying the scoring endpoints we obtained in the Flask file and remove the pickle file.